Hey everybody, how's everyone doing today? It's a beautiful Thursday and the time has come to do some trading. My name is Thomas and I will conduct the following webinar for you. So please get comfortable, get yourself a cup of tea or coffee, and yeah, stay tuned for some information about trading, some useful information about trading strategies, and I would say market information in general. So, if you want to say anything, if you want to share your thoughts on trading, if you want to ask me anything regarding trading, so feel free to do so. We have a chat window on the right hand side or under the webinar, like under the window, the main um, window. So yeah, any questions, let me know. So last time we had a wonderful, interesting webinar with some profits, and yeah, what kind of strategy do you want to do today? Some counter trend strategy or a trading strategy? So guys, if you can hear me, please let me know. Say something in the chat because I still have not received any message, and I feel lonely. I feel like I'm alone here, even though I see that there are 70 viewers currently, and yep. Oh yeah, I can hear you. Beautiful guys. Thank you very much for your for your messages, and yeah, let's get to trading. Okay. What trading strategy should I pick today? How about, well guys, I don't know. Let's how about triple rebound? I don't know. When was the last time we did triple rebound? Man, I love this trading strategy. Um, this is a wonderful trading strategy, and yeah. Um, okay, so $33 per trade. That's gonna be my default amount of money that I invest in a trade. And hello from the Philippines. Well, hello, Helen. One more question from the chat. Is the strategy that you share can be used in beginner time frame? Well, yes, I would say this strategy is like particularly suitable for the newbie traders. Well, with this strategy, uh, well, so once again, the strategy is called triple rebound, and it consists out of three relative strength index indicators with three different periods or three different parameters. So we have the seven RSI or relative strength index. We have the 14 RSI, and we have the 21 RSI. So when do we open a trade in the downwards direction? So we want to open trades in the downwards direction. Let me show you an example. Well, basically when the first one and the middle one, the middle RSI are either overbought, so this means that this line of the RSI indicator is above the 70 line here, above this red line, or say, so ideally we would want to have two of them in the overbought area or very close to the overbought area. And also, when we look at the third one, the 21 RSI, we want it also to be, well, kind of next to this overbought area. So maybe not exactly there, but almost. So let me find some live example so that I can show you. Well, yeah, guys, something like this. All right, a setup or a signal that happened, I guess 7 minutes ago, 7 or 8 minutes ago, and that was this signal. I think on this green candlestick when the price, so when the value of the two, well, let's say all the three of the RSIs, they went into the sold area, and that was the signal for an uptrend. So basically, you just have to memorize. You just have to remember one thing. So when the RSIs are in the overbought area or above the 70 line, that's when you open trades for down. That's when you open down trades. And on the contrary, when they are under the green line, it's like green line here, you open up trend, like up button. You press this one. Once they're in the like overbought area next to the red line, you click the down button. Simple as that. Can we use this strategy in mobile? Yes, absolutely. All of our trading strategies, they can be used in mobile, of course. All right, guys, let's start with the first trade. That will be a trade in the downwards direction on the commodity composite index. Yes, and okay, let me check one thing. Okay, guys. So since tomorrow is Thanksgiving in the US, today all of the American stocks are closed, and that's why we might have a little bit less volatility than normal during our webinar. Just kind of like a brief warning about this. So just do not be surprised if you don't see any trading activity on American stocks today. So those American, say all the American stock exchanges are closed, and today they have a short trading session. So that's why you can also expect a little bit less volatility than normal. And also when there is a little bit less volatility on the markets, rates of returns or say profitability rates, talking about this number like 84%, 80%, it might also be just a little bit lower. So we have this CCI, commodity composite index, and a trade in the downwards direction. And guys, here this strategy, okay, one important note about this strategy, suggest the best strategy. Guys, you just have to keep in mind that there is no such a thing as the best trading strategy, because every trader finds or likes certain trading approaches, and you just cannot create that one best strategy, because there is or I would say there are so many different indicators, and one you can say suggest some good trading strategy for me. So everyone has their own best trading strategy or a few trading strategies. Maybe someone's top 5 trading strategies, or I don't know, top 3, something like this. So there is no such a thing as a universal best trading strategy. So every trading strategy varies a little bit, and also what also varies from one trader to another is how we how we apply the same setups and the same trading signals. Because with one trading strategy, one can get, I would say, almost identical setups, and yet someone will open a trade for 3 minutes like I do, and someone will just keep using say 4-minute trades or 2-minute trades. So I would say this thing like say universal like best strategy, it simply does not exist. All right, guys, there was a wonderful setup here on USD CAD, and it just happened recently, so I think we can still try and take advantage of this setup, even though it happened kind of like a few minutes back, maybe 1.5 minutes back, but still I love this setup, guys, and I think we should use it. And okay, so one more winning trade on basic altcoin index. Okay, GBP out. All right, so that signal is gone. Right, one more question. There is any way or pattern in candles that we give a signal to support the strategy? It's not a simple question to answer. Why is that? Well, because um, sometimes candlestick patterns, they will contradict what a certain strategy is telling us. So, well, generally speaking, I would say it's nearly okay. Uh, so I don't even know where to start. It's a kind of like a big topic. Uh, well, I would say in general, yes, and I oftentimes use the signals from um, trading um, from different candlestick formations. But to be honest, sometimes um, just sometimes, guys, I don't even know, like, because um, on the one hand, yes, you should watch for signals from candlestick patterns, but that also depends which candlestick patterns. And then, like, of course, levels of support and resistance, and head and shoulders and stuff like that. These things works, but you have to decide which signal is your, I would say, primary signal. So do you get uh, the main signal from Jactar trading strategy, or is it still, say, head and shoulders pattern? So you have to decide which signal or which approach has priority over, the second thing. I know it's a tough question to answer. Sometimes I do, even though I might be trading with, I might be trading by a certain strategy, and then I would just start using the signals from, say, the nearest level of support or resistance. So, guys, I don't know. It's not a simple question to answer. Okay, what is oversold? I think Asia Composite Index is oversold here. And how about we open a trade in the upwards direction here? So the euro against the Australian dollar, maybe double top formation here. Can we try a bit more diving strategy today to master it? Well, maybe. Let us continue trading by the current strategy, by the triple rebound strategy, and then if we have some time left in the end, then yeah, we'll definitely. I could still open a few trades with the help of that trading strategy. Yes, let's try CCI. So commodity composite index once again. So this pattern I call, well, not just I, but it is called divergence. When the graph itself, it keeps on growing, like this one makes, like draws another top or another maximum, local maximum. And then here we can see that relative strength index goes in the downwards direction. And we have this kind of like double top, like 1, 2, this top, and trade in the downwards direction. All right, what about Euro AUD? 7 seconds to go here. Will this be enough time? All right, so unfortunately, no. This trade closes with a loss. Shall I give it a try? Shall I give it one more try, guys? I don't know. Yeah, seems Okay, now it's obvious, right? Okay, let me set a pending order in order to get a better price to open a trade from here. What is Quickler Asset? Okay, so Quickler Asset is not yet available for everyone. It is still, I would say, like under development, under testing, and it is a variation of short-term trades, very close to the so-called scalping method, where you open many trades but in the very short durations. Geez, what's happening to Asia Composite Index? So, okay, so a little bit missed on the timing here. Okay, anyways, uh, I'm going to open one more trade on this asset. And also Usd Cad, it's overbought. So CCI and yeah, and also Euro GBP. Right, so Euro GBP, so this graph is a very good illustration of one of the previous questions where we can combine the signal from the Japanese candlesticks together with the signal from our strategy. And okay, so all right, this one's definitely gonna be a winner. So CCI, 2 winning trades. So yeah, guys, Euro GBP, we have this very obvious level of resistance. We might have a double top. We might see a double top formation here, and uh, is Dragon Trades good for new traders? I don't know what it is. What's a personal channel? I don't have a personal channel. Whenever I mean, for the most part, I trade. I would say alone. I don't stream my trading. So I prefer. I would say like okay. I prefer solitude. So I don't trade. I don't have a say a Telegram channel or a YouTube channel. I only conduct some of the webinars here on this channel, but I do it very rarely. And so yeah, I kind of like to trade and invest alone, but sometimes I do these education sessions like this one. All right, guys, we have Euro. Yeah, we have this pending order. It is there. All right, GBP Let's try this one in the upwards direction. So, NZD Cad, no luck here. Let's give it one more try. Because now all three RSIs are in the overbought area. All than three. And I keep searching for my next signal. Okay, so there was a signal on GBP AUD in the upwards direction when two of the RSIs were in the oversold area. All right, so Euro USD. Someone suggests Euro USD. Okay, let's give it a try. Euro USD. All right, guys. I wouldn't really use this trading signal because we are still okay. By looking at the RSI, I can tell that all three of them, they're just well, kind of like in the middle, not not in the like say overbought or oversold. Well, nothing like that. What's up with Asia Composite, guys? I don't know. It's a bummer. Okay, so this one. Okay, one more. I'll just give it one more try because have a lot of trust in this asset. But one, two. How many trades I made on Asia Composite Index? I made. So I started this one. So CCI 15.3. 3. Okay, so just had two losing trades here on Asia Composite Index, even though I had a nice chance of winning, but unfortunately, when it comes to quick trades, timing when you enter a trade matters a lot. And NZD CAD closing with a profit, and okay, have a few winning trades here. So Euro, yeah, guys, I want to share my trade on Euro USD. Why did I open a trade in the upwards direction here? Well, I opened it because if you look at this chart, okay, so not very clearly visible on our platform, but when you look at this chart, you can see that there is a very strong level of support, which uh, is sitting on the 1.12 level price. So that's why I opened the trade in the amount of $2,000 with a 500 multiplier. So that's one of my biggest trades this month. So the month of November, I had a few such big trades, but this one I had so much. I was waiting for it for the whole week. So I was planning this trade. Yeah, like very much before the signal came. No, planning to start live trading this December. Hoping it's gonna work out well. So says John. Good luck, John. And once again, a piece of advice from me is to always conduct or always to lead your trading journal or trader's diary. So when you write down all your trades and when you know what where you make money and where you lose money, that's a number one, I would say, prerequisite to making money in this business. And yeah, I call trading business because like in every like it's an online business where you pretty much have investments, you have preparations, you do all the work, all the research, and then if you do everything right and if you have a proper market conditions, then you make money. It's as simple as that. All right, guys, let's give it a try once again on basic altcoin index BAI upwards trade here because all the RSIs are in the oversold area. And all right, so GBP CHF, guys, I don't know, it's a little bit too late, but this is a I would say like kind of like a quick trade, but Trading is currently unavailable. All right. Okay. Um, that's a surprise. um, Interesting situation. What happened? Shall I refresh my webinar page? Okay, kind of stuck. Euro GBP. I hope I'm going to win here. So 10 seconds to go and 4 pips away, no, 5 pips away. Is this gonna be enough? Yes. All right. So this trade closes with a profit. Okay, we're back to trading. I don't know what happened. Some technical glitch or something, or maybe there were not no quotes coming. Still not a very nice thing, but why not? That doesn't change the bigger picture. So basic altcoin close. Learn. Okay. A nice and an interesting comment here from Ashai. Learn to trade yourself. Copying others is never gonna work. It's obvious, isn't it, bro? Yes. On the one hand, yes, I would agree that like blindly copying trades made by other trading gurus, or not even gurus, some bloggers. Um, you know what? I think um, like if you rely on it completely, definitely it is not going to work. But if you use their say videos or materials and you learn from them, then I think this can work. So you just watch videos, you learn by you learn from other people's mistakes, and yeah, eventually you just do you only do what works, and well, pretty much that's a recipe for success, isn't it, guys? You just watch what works, you remove something that doesn't work, and yeah, that's a recipe for success. Exactly. What about GBP USD? All right, let's have a look at GBP USD. Guys, seems that we don't really have that much time for, I would say, this other trading strategical diving. So let's maybe postpone it for tomorrow. I mean, not tomorrow, but the next Tuesday. So Bitcoin in a very strong uptrend. Basic altcoin index. Did we close with a profit? Yeah, we closed with a profit. Let's open one more trade, an additional trade here, while the signal is still there. So the Euro USD potential setup. Copper. Let's try copper. 80% rate of return. Sounds good. And I actually liked that setup. So it was a good signal. So yeah, once again, guys, you can easily apply this trading strategy in your mobile phones. The principle is the same. It's just, for me, and I think for everybody, it's just more convenient to trade from your like say desktop or laptop, because you just have a bigger graph and you can see more. But I mean, like generally speaking, it's all the charts are the same, and I mean, like with current mobile technologies, yeah, it's not a big. I wouldn't say there is much difference between mobile trading and like say desktop trading. The only difference is the size of your screen, and that is it pretty much. Okay, Ethereum. All right, guys. Ethereum. I don't know. So Euro GBP closing with a profit. Okay, so this one I hope it will close with a profit. Copper. Okay, so this I would say a combination of two signals. The first signal came from the RSI indicator, and the second signal I would call the double bottom formation. So we have this 1, 2, so this double bottom, and price reversed upwards from here. So 15 seconds to go. Nice, nice. This is a winning trade here. And yeah, let's give it one more try. Euro, also Asia Composite Index, kind of like a similar pattern to my previous trade on copper. So this looks interesting. Yes, so Bitcoin. I was a little bit reluctant. So that was like the moment. Okay, so I kind of didn't notice this red candlestick, which basically changed the direction of the previous uptrend. And probably after this candlestick, yeah, it was possible to open. So my mistake here, I didn't use this signal. I missed this signal. I felt the strategy is better if you make up to 10 minutes. I felt RSI stuck for 4 minutes after it crossed the line. What do you think? Well, so in my opinion, I think that 10 minutes is a little bit too much with the time frame of 1 minute. But if, for example, you switch to 5-minute trades or 5-minute candlesticks, then I would say this can work. So, of course, your duration of your trades should be in direct correlation to the time frame that you use in order to analyze the graphs. So that's pretty much goes without saying that the bigger your time frame, the longer the duration of your trades. So that's that is the pretty much direct correlation between these two, because otherwise, you just it just will not make sense. Okay. Okay, guys. So it seems that there will be no more trades for today's webinar since I cannot find any new signals, any fresh new signals. But we can already do some calculations on the number of 5 winning trades in a row and the 6th one coming. Okay, screw this Asia Composite Index. It just taken money from me. No, hold on. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I finished this webinar with 7 consecutive wins. Okay, it's gonna be 8. I think in total, yeah, 8 wins, and the last one, unfortunately, it's a losing trade, but nonetheless, I had a wonderful sequence of winning trades. Okay, so where did we start? We started here. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 winning trades, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 7 losing trades. So guys, my win ratio, so 11 out of 18 is, well, 61%. And even though by some reason some of my bigger trades, oh, this one closed. No, I think it's fine. Yeah. Okay. I kind of wanted to say that I lost these 2 trades in the amount of $66, but then I had 3 winning trades in this amount. So okay. Guys, I hope you liked this strategy because, in my opinion, this is one of our most reliable strategies. Like, really, like, trust me, but also do the testing by yourself. So make 50 trades with the smallest amount of money possible, like $1, and just see how it works. All right. It does not have to be big amounts of money. Just kind of like $1 per trade is more than enough. Um, so a common money management is very simple. You can use martingale strategy, means just double your amount if loss signal. That is a possible way how you can pretty much manage your like size of your positions. So I would say it's not by 2, but 2.2. I think is a better coefficient or multiplier. From how many years you've been trading? Well, I mean, scared to say this number. Too many trades. More than I would say like 8 or 9 years. Long time, guys. Can you explain the money management a bit, like why did you choose 33? Okay, so sometimes I just open trades in the amount of some amount that is comfortable. Okay, so when I in front of the audience, like in this webinar, I would use like smaller amounts, like $33. That's a completely comfortable amount for me, so I don't care if I lose this or win, because I'm completely desensitized from this amount. But okay, when I make a trade in the amount of $2,000 or 2,000, say $2,300, that's when I get a little bit, of course, anxious, and I would probably. So it took me a lot of preparation for opening this trade. I didn't just open this trade randomly. I was expecting. I was watching for about say 5 or maybe even 7 trading sessions for this trade, and then I opened it. Okay, so but $33 is something like less than 0.5% from my deposit amount. So yeah. All right. Any best book for FTT? I don't know. I would rather spend some time, working on your trading journal and maybe watching our webinars. That will probably do more good for your trading, because you watch. This way, you will learn from also like real-time graphs. I think books on trading is a little bit a story of the past, because back in the day, I would say like books were the main means of getting information on all kinds of activities, and trading is one of those. My next stream will happen next Tuesday, same time. So check when this one started. It's 4 p.m. GMT plus 3 this time, or GMT plus 2, I think. Yeah. Okay. So check check your time, please, on YouTube. Yes. It was really tough today to find signal, says GR Diablo. Well, because there is a holiday in the US. It's Thanksgiving today, so that's why. Okay, guys. Thomas signing out, and I will see you next Tuesday. Good luck in your trading, and have a wonderful weekend. Bye bye.